marble surfaces, plush velvet, Swarvoski crystal chandelier. It's no wonder this ritzy home caught Mediacorp's attention, where it played Desmond Tan's posh and upscale home in the Channel 8 drama series Cao Kong CTRL. Welcome back to Crazy Nice Homes. Today we're here at Boon Keng to explore a 5-room HDB DBSS flat. Let's go.
Hey Lester, nice meeting you.
Hey, wow, look at this feature wall. This looks like it does not belong in the HDB DBSS.
Exactly, you seldom see this kind of tile in the HDB, especially in the living room area. Yeah, so this one actually captures the owner's attention the moment we enter the tile shop.
Okay.
Yeah, so when he tell me he really loved this tile, right, I was like, okay, does it really fit into my theme at all? You know, I stare at it for a moment. An inspiration pop up. Okay, you hear the Chinese saying 背山靠海.
Oh, 背山靠海. So 背山 is the brown, 靠海 is the blue.
Yeah, so with this 背山靠海, right, I thought it was an auspicious saying, and it says that you have very good support, and 水 in Chinese means 财 嘛.
Very 欢.
Yeah, so yeah, fortune.
It looks really grand, But important question, so how much did this feature wall cost?
If we were to do this in real marble, it's going to cost like maybe 30,000-40,000 or even more, depending on the grade of the marble. Yeah, but this is a large format porcelain tile in marble imitation. So we managed to do the whole thing like within 10,000.
Wow. So Eric, not forgetting, what's the theme and inspiration behind this home?
Okay, the theme for this home is modern hotel luxe and maximalist. So modern hotel luxe, like many people know, is about glamorous fittings, big chandeliers, and beautiful decors.
So maximalist, is that the opposite of minimalist?
Well, maximalist is about putting together all your favorite, a lot of favorites, and not to clutter them, as well as I'm going to use some common colors to blend, through the whole house.
Okay. So I want to talk about this. This really captures my attention. You don't see a chandelier in a HDB DBSS home.
Yeah, this is actually a Swarvoski crystal chandelier.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So why we use Swarvoski, basically it gives a more glamorous effect. When you do dining, it gives you a high-class look.
Yeah, it radiates very nicely.
So if you use imitation kind of crystal, right, the effect will not be so glamorous.
Oh.
Yeah. So let me show you something.
Oh, wow. I'm super impressed with this home already. I'm just at the entrance. Look at this, and this. So you turn this on using your phone?
Yeah, I did. Okay, so this home is actually smart home enabled. So with smart home, I can use my voice control, I can play by my phone, I can also use the manual touch button.
Oh, okay. So I want to talk about this. What are we looking at here? What kind of material is this?
Okay, this is actually a soft stone material. So soft stone is actually made of natural stone skin. Yeah, so with natural stone skin, right, we can do many features like a feature wall, TV feature. We can even use this to make into cabinet doors. Yeah, so a lot of application. However, for this soft stone, there are two series. One is the luminous one. The other one is actually the opaque, opaque type. Yeah. So with light passing through, right? If you do this for a TV feature, right, it can be too glaring.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is suitable on a large scale, okay, to basically impress people.
It's really impressive, because this table is long and it fits right below. This reminds me of a luxury bar in the Central Business District.
Exactly. So that's what the owner wants. Yeah, so talking about this bar counter, right, it's actually a 2-meter bar counter, very huge. And this bar counter actually doubles up as a storage counter. Oh. So you have storage underneath.
Okay, yeah, this is smart, right? Because this takes up such a huge space in the area.
Yes.
And you can store stuff too.
Yeah, so with the storage, you can actually maximize the space. Okay, Lester, let me show you to the kitchen.
Wait, Eric, I got a question. So there's no door? What if the smell, when people are cooking and then the smell floods the whole house?
Oh, okay, don't worry. We have a hidden door here.
Oh, wow, it's really hidden, man.
Yeah, many visitors when they come here, they actually didn't know there's a door. Yeah, that separates the space. So when owner cook, right, can actually close up the door so that the odor doesn't come out. And if you want to enjoy the aircon here, you can also close the door so that the aircon doesn't flow in.
Yeah, I realize it's the same color.
So we are using dark wood as the theme color. So this tea mirror actually blends pretty well, and it also enlarges the space.
Yeah, it looks...
gives it a more spacious look.
Yeah, it does. And I really like the shade of this mirror because it's a bit darker, it's a bit more mysterious and luxurious.
Yes, and luxurious feel, that's right. So let's check out the kitchen.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, so the highlight about this kitchen, other than the storage, it has a lot of storages, and this is the Decton top that we are talking about.
Okay, but Decton with this marble print.
Okay, basically Decton is a engineered stone, so mimic marble. So it's actually non-porous, very suitable for kitchen top.
Yeah, so wait, these are two huge slabs. Is it the same slab or is it like connected together?
It was specially selected, okay, to make the grain flow well. Yeah, so these are two pre-selected slabs at the factory.
I love it because it fits the theme of the whole house, you know, it's very luxurious.
Yeah, the color really, owner liked it very much also, the moment he saw this.
Yeah, so important question, what's the cost of this entire...
Right, okay, this countertop is about 8 feet long, okay, so double up is about 16 feet. So the price is around 7,000 plus to 8,000.
Oh wow, that's almost 2.5 times, 3 times my kitchen.
This is one of the top grade of the Decton. So it has several series as well. Okay, so when you look on top, we have 2-tier cabinets, right? So actually there's big sewage pipe on top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I double up this cabinet as additional storage as well. So you can see there is 2 different depth.
Yes.
Yeah, so to create more storages as well, to make use of the whole place. Yeah, so this one mainly behind when you open up, okay, is not so deep storage, but rather there will be box up of the sewage pipe. Hey Lester, wait, let me show you something cool.
Okay.
Okay, this row of switches.
Oh, wow, looks sleek.
Yeah, they are actually smart switches. This allows you to control the lights the way you want it to be. Yeah, it's actually programmable and you can do scene setting.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is from Cobalt Home. I really like them.
Okay, so this links to your phone?
Yes, it does. Yeah, for the whole smart home system. Yeah, so all the whole house light control, it can be done using these panels. So using marble laminate to do living feature is actually quite common. So what we do is we did a little bit of twist here. We do fluted panel so that the marble grain, you know, it appears more luxurious. Yeah, so it came out with an interesting effect. Okay, Lester, so where I'm standing here actually used to be the balcony.
Oh, there's a balcony here?
Yeah, let me show you, man. Hey Google, show city view. Ta-da!
Wow. So wait, I want to ask, you said, hey Google, show city view, so you're able to program?
Yes. So with smart home, actually the scene are programmable. So when I program, like, you know, when the curtain come open and the LED come on, okay, so you can program it with your favorite control. So that's good about the smart home.
Oh wow, nice.
So where I'm standing used to be the balcony, right? I actually extended the living area. So there used to be an awful sewage pipe. Yeah, so the purpose of creating this whole structure is actually to box up the pipe as well as to create more storage for homeowner. Yeah, so this part used to be a structural beam that we cannot remove. Yeah, so this box up actually it blends in quite well with the whole space.
Oh nice, and then I really love the LED strip light.
Yeah, so creating this LED, right, it looks like the city view is enclosed within a photo frame.
Oh nice.
Yeah. Okay, Lester, welcome to the balcony.
I love this space here.
Yeah, so relax, enjoy yourself, and you know, look at the view.
Yeah, you know, Eric, this flat is so high that it doors all other HDB flats here, so you get an unblocked view of the entire Singapore from up here.
Exactly. You will see a nicer view at night.
I
Yeah,
can
it's
totally
really,
imagine
the
that.
whole city view is glamorous and I really love it.
I can imagine.
Yeah, so let me tell you more about this balcony space. This is actually meant for like a weekend getaway and family gathering. So they actually gather here for breakfast time, family time together. Yeah, so we specially picked this outdoor set of furniture for them. Yeah, so giving the outdoor breakfast kind of feel.
Yeah.
And we decked up the balcony using composite decking.
Okay.
Yeah, so a little bit about the composite decking, because in the past people used natural wood.
Okay.
So natural wood, because of demand over supply, right? They actually chop the wood very young age and gives a lot of problem. So that's how composite wood comes about. Okay, so for composite wood, it's man-made and it's actually very lasting. No maintenance required at all. So you don't have to worry about re-varnishing the thing.
Okay, termites.
Yeah, termites problem. Yeah. So composite wood is actually a very suitable outdoor selection.
And it feels quite good, looks good too.
Yeah, the swimming pool pathway, they are also using composite decking nowadays.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Okay, and this feature wall is actually made of stone tile and tinted mirror. So creating a very nice backdrop, like a resort feel, for this entire balcony.
I can totally imagine. I just sit here the entire day reading my book. When I'm tired of reading my book, I just turn around, enjoy the view. Love it.
Okay, Lester, here is a master bedroom. So if you look over here, it used to be a L-shaped bay window. So with the bay window, right, actually too much window, a lot of exposure of light and the heat. Yeah, and because owner requested for more storage, I actually suggest to box up this area, create a storage headboard for them on top of the storage bed that we bought.
Oh.
Yeah, let me show you the storage.
Storage at the bed head is quite interesting.
Yeah, so you can actually open up the door and you can stuff things inside all the way.
Oh, and it's quite deep, your storage?
Yeah, it is. So it actually created a lot more storage for the owner. So if you look behind you, it used to be at the toilet door.
Oh, like here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so owner actually had a very big TV to put up here. So the toilet door is obviously blocking the way. I have it relocated to cater space for this TV feature. Okay, Lester, the master toilet. Original plan, we actually want to do a wall hung toilet bowl over here. But because wall hung toilet bowl, right, after construction, the thing actually goes out to quite far.
Okay.
Yeah, so it makes the toilet bowls, the whole toilet smaller as well. Yeah, so when we go to the bathroom shop, right, this is actually the latest model, okay, which is high technology, and the whole thing really looks slick and it captures our eye right away.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, so this one with a small tank, right, actually it moves the toilet bowl further back, creating a bigger
more space within
That's
the
right.
toilet.
Yeah. And also look at the accessories, they are all gold in color. So we specially selected all these from overseas and we import it in for the owner. So you look at the detailings of all these handles, the tab, even the handle of the door.
And even your jet spray.
Yes, it's all gold color, and of course the rain shower as well. So rain shower especially is not readily available in Singapore in terms of gold color. Yeah, so we actually import all these accessories to match the luxury theme. Yeah, so gold actually gives a more luxurious feel to the overall.
It does.
Yeah, then talking about the tiles, large format tiles again, for the luxury feel. So you have less grout lines and marble look.
Yeah, it does. Feels really good. With a bay window here, nice tiles, gold, rain shower. Me and my Sunday girlfriend Apple totally can shower together here.
Okay, I can come here and video for you.
So Eric, the $1 million question, how much does this beautiful home cost?
Okay, it costs about $200,000.
Needless to say, this home is deserving of high praise with its attention to detail, making this sleek, luxury sanctuary, a hotel within a home. If you like this video, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you have a crazy nice home, do contact us. We love to show your home to the world. Thank you very much for Eric for showing this home to us today. This has been yet another episode of Crazy Nice Homes. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.